So hey guys, today in Elena's channel we're gonna make Play-doh. So if you don't need to buy from Walmart, so you can save your money. So we got flour and salt and tartar and hot water and olive oil. So let's start with flour. Be careful if it goes. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So in case it's really sticky, we use it with our hands and then put some more of the flour. Now, salt. Well, we can put a lot of salt. And then tartar. Tartar is done. Now we mix it up. So it's still gonna be white. It's still gonna be white. Okay? It's still gonna be white. So we mix more. Okay, now hot water. So my mom's got to put the hot water. We have asked your mom for help to put hot water. Mix. Now we mix it with our spoon. But be careful to hold it, so you might get yourself here. I'll put the olive oil. So this is the oil, olive oil here. Now mix it again. Oh no. Mix, mix, mix. Now put more flour. More flour. Mix. More, a lot, and more. Just a little bit more. All of them now. More. Is it hot? Not hot? Not hot. It's not hot anymore. So the water is not hot anymore. Now mix. Now use it with your hands. Now, but the Play-doh has to be sticky, the Play-doh. Like slime is sticky. Like sticky tack is also sticky. Oh no, my hands are kind of sticking. So gotta remove that. Wash it after you bake. Okay, after you make Play-doh, wash it. Now we put in the food coloring. Food coloring, and then now it's done. And wait for 5. Wash our hands again. Oh, now your hands are blue. Keep them there. Hey guys, we're gonna wait on 15 minutes. So goodbye. So see you later in 15 minutes. So guys, this is the Play-doh and it's really sticky. So this is how we made the Play-doh. Now I'm gonna play with the Play-doh. This is So this is what we made the Play-doh. So until next time, goodbye.